Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi using your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and now go to the Bluetooth. Then click the information icon near to your earbuds, and right here we have a line name. Tap on it and write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna remove this text. Also I wanna make okay, let's make it again. So I wanna remove this text. Also I wanna make some space here. And after you finish, click done, and now you're gonna go back, and as you can see, it's saved. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.